Welcome. In episode number 14, we deal with the tutorial on rationalization, how we can rationalize denominators that are binomial. In episode 13, we deal rationalization of what? A monomial term or a singular term. So we want to apply those concepts in this evaluation of the set. This is the root of 28 plus the root of 343, all divided by 2 root 63, then plus what? 5 on 3. So we are combining the previous episode, which is the very beginning episode, how we can reduce these numbers to their basic form. Remember, we mentioned that reducing them, we need two factors. One of the factors will be a perfect square, the other ones will be a non-perfect square. And sometimes getting the perfect square is difficult. So we begin with non-perfect square, which are mostly prime numbers or product of what? Prime numbers. So here, if I use 2 to divide this, I get 14. And 14 is not a perfect square. So I move on to 3. And 3 cannot go here. So I move on to what? Let's take 4 itself. If I take 4, I should be having what? 4 times what? 7. And 4 is perfect. But seeing I knew 4 is perfect, that's why I mentioned it. But I can move away from the 3 to 5, which 5 cannot divide. I move to 6. 6 cannot divide. Then I move to 7. So 7 can divide this 4 times. And 4 is perfect. So this is going to be the root of 4 times 7. This is also 2 cannot go because of this. 3 itself cannot go because this is 7 plus 3, 10. 3 cannot go here. So we go to 5, 5 cannot go. We go to 6, 6 cannot go. We go to what? 7. 7 here, that will be 4 first. So we have what? 49. Because this is 1, 28. So 63. So we have what? The root of 49 times what? 7 divided by 2 multiplying the root of this can also be reduced. We know 7 can go here 9 times. Then we add plus 5 on what? 3. The reason why we are splitting them is to take the perfect square as their value. So this is going to be the root of 4. That will be 2. Let's take it to the top there. So I should be having 2 root 7 plus, this is the perfect square of 7. 7 root 7 divided by 2. This is 3. So I have 3 root 7 plus 5 on what? 3. I believe you're following the step-by-step approach. Alright. Now what do we do? I can see in the numerator, they are similar set, the same radicand, 7, 7. So we can easily add. Meaning 2 plus 7. That will be 9. The root of 7. This is also rational in front here. If you multiply, you get 6. The root of 7 plus 5 on what? 3. Alright. Here we don't even need to rationalize because root 7 and root 7 will cancel, giving rise to only 9 on 6, which, okay, let's just make it like that. 5 on 3, which can be 9 on 6. Okay, let me just reduce that once. Okay, let me maintain 9 on 6. Then change this to the root of denominator of 6. So 2 times this, 10. 2 times this, 6. Like fraction. So I add the top as 19 divided by what? 6. I believe this will go here. 3 times remainder of 1 over what? 6. I guess the concept is also clear, very simple and direct. Like, share, comment, and what? Subscribe.